Hey, Sean here from SpeedCupidView.com. School is done for the semester for me. If you don't know, I'm getting a master's in music, so that's why videos have not been as constant. But I am back home finally for the summer, and I can finally make a collection video because I got my office all together. So really quick tour, actually I'll show you this real quick. We've got some lights over there, but that's it. I think I actually need some nicer lights for like a couple more because needs some like behind me as well, and it's hard to move them. And we have a nice little desk right there with my multi-matte fill one from Inked, which actually is going to be something with Inked in a little bit, maybe, possibly. And then my Cosmic one on top of that. And we'll just do this first cube here. So this is my GTS version 2 with the spring swaps I did of the MF3 RS2, as well as I added magnets that are a little bit stronger. And this is one I've been using a lot lately. I do have some puzzles down there that are like extra things. We'll just kind of follow over here and then we'll go through all the shelves. So we have this box, a lot of it's just sort of extra things, and I'm probably going to give away some stuff. These are a bunch of Guanlongs that I give away for when I go to schools and demonstrate things, get some extra Rubik's Cubes. Here's a GTS2 with N35 4x2 magnets, so it's very similar to what comes stock, with some nice stickers from Speed Cube Shop. I'll probably give that away. I have some other things like, what is this? I think this is an old Oolong version 2. It's an Oolong version 2. There's some other things like this mini Morphix Xiaoxi. I think there is somewhere in here. Where is it? I thought there was a... Oh, that's a Oolong version 1, or mini. So, oh, here it is. There's the Yuxiao Pro. Sorry if the camera got a little off. I had to figure out and look at these. But okay, so I'll be giving away some of those. I'll probably do a separate video on them, but stay tuned. So this is I might do the giveaway as something. The giveaway is going to be related to something in here. So anyways, we'll go through that. But I'm going to turn this camera around so I can more easily see what's going on. Okay, we're going to just start, I guess, at the top here and work our way around. And this first one, besides having the Megaminx, which comes on sticker and you have to sticker it. Now, actually, the stickers with this, some of them are kind of see-through-ish, like some of the oranges. So I put stickers on and some of them I peeled off and put on different ones. But that was actually kind of fun because I got to pick where the sticker shades would be. The two main Pure Minxes that are out right now, the Bell and the Moyu one. And then we have a bunch of 2x2s. I'm not going to go through every single one because this video is going to be long and excessive and people aren't going to want that. But this is the Jinyu, the Goguan Jinyu, that I re-stickered with full fitted stickers and added magnets. And there's a ton of stuff here. Like we have that's the new 2x2, whatever it was from Chi-Yi. Oh, I should know all of these names. But yeah, I've had most of the logos facing out. So we have the Goguan one. These are the Morphix Xiaoxi. One of them's the MF2, one's the MF2C, and things like that. Here's the old Morphix one, Yushin, Cyclone Boys, pretty much all here. V-Cubes, the Fengshi one. So there's a lot of different 2x2s here. Now a lot of things, there's pretty much one of everything. If there's more than one, I'm probably have given that away. And this is one thing, actually, I'm going to say this to people who are watching this. So don't ask for a free cube from this video because I will probably block that comment from the channel. Most of the things here, there's just one of that I need for reviews. I don't have a collection to have a collection. I have a collection because I do reviews and I usually need to keep one of each thing in case I need to do a comparison. Probably some things I'll never use again, but it's that sort of just in case thing. Maybe at some point I'll do a big giveaway and we'll see what I'll do with that, with just getting rid of stuff that I'm definitely not going to use again. But for right now, I'll do a giveaway. Don't ask for any of these or else you'll just be blocked from the channel because I don't like that. I don't even like doing these videos, but people ask about it, so I do it. I do it for you guys, so it's all for you. Okay, so back to this. This is a fun shelf of just really fun things. So in the back here, they're kind of hidden behind there. There's the Yushin 3x3. That one lights up, that has little designs on there. That's just kind of a little toy. These are all sort of stuck together and they can spin and rotate that my wife got me. And there's another little wooden toy thing back here. And then I have my, oh, I can't remember the name, the ones with the arrows. Oh, it'll come to me. But the one without the colors and the one with the colors. And this is my original Rubiks Brand, the first one I got when I really got back into cubing. I'm sure I had something as a kid, but this is the one I got on the 40th anniversary of the day. And there's the Cube. That's my Bear Rubiks Brand, the 2x2x3 with those stickers from Oliver stickers. There we go. Okay, and then some ghost cubes here, and the ghost cubes down there. This one's my favorite one. I think these are actually all Ninja ghost cubes, and this one I restickered with purple stickers. I just thought it looked really cool. Shangsho 6x6, it's pink, just because it looks kind of cool. Now we're going to go to probably the most expensive shelf, the Cosmic Shelf. Okay, we've got a Air, a GTS version 1, there's a SM, that's a Volk. Then we have the Yushin, I think that's the red there, and that's the Wuxia version 2, as well as the Wuji, I'm probably pronouncing these all incorrectly, the Wushui, the Weipo, that's the Wushwang. This is the Volt, and then, yep, and then that's the Wingy. We have a few of the lubrications here. Let's go over here. Here's kind of my shape mod one, where we have the Aosu shape mods. So here's the Fisher Cube, here's the Axis Cube. Then we just have Crazy Axis Cube, 4x3x3, different things like that. Some of them I just decided to not solve because I wanted to anger some random person in the comment section who really wants it solved. And yeah, that's about it. There's some other things. That's not really a shape mod back there. That's that new one. Whatever its name is. Man, I'm not doing so good at these. Okay, and then we have the 7x7s, and I have my calendar cube. I have it on May. I probably won't adjust it because it's surprisingly frustrating to solve. Even though you're just doing one side of this, just getting everything and without, I don't know, it's a little more irritating than just finding the colors. I guess if you've ever done a 7x7 super cube, I feel bad for you, but that's exactly what it is like. But yeah, we have all the different 7x7s, pretty much every major thing is here. And we're going to move down 6x6s, again, all the major things. And we have this little fun thing. I'm just going to put it out there. This is probably what the giveaway is going to be. To win one, it will be guessing what the names of these are. So I'll just kind of focus on this for a second. And we have all the different sizes, from the smallest to the largest. Okay, I'm just going to leave that there. We have Scoobs, one with the signature Sarah Strong. I also have my Cubologist cube. I had some stickers from TC Cubes, but I didn't actually get the Supernova one, so I should have gotten that, so I can add that to here. But it's just some fun ones. We've got the date. Now that's a date, that's a special date for me, so that's why it's always going to be on June 20th. We've got some Scoobs that I just don't, not Scoobs, sorry, square ones that I just don't feel like solving because that's not something that I ever really speed solve, and I often have to look back at tutorials for that. Oh, there's an extra wingy there, maybe I'll give that away as well. These are fun, these twisty Scoobs, because this one, they're just very different, the stickered one and stickerless. Okay, let's keep moving on. We have these 7x7 with a bunch of, oh man, what's the name of those? The Master Morphix. So we've got the Master Morphix, and then the Megamorphix, and then the Gigamorphix? I think. Wait, is it Morphix? Yeah, because that's Megamorphix, and this is the Megaminx. There we go. This is the one that I magnetized. This is the Pearl that I magnetized with 4x2 N35. Turned out really nice. I really like it, but the Galaxy one is still just a little bit nicer. This has got to be one of my favorite ones to just casually solve here. And yeah, and then we have, this is actually probably my favorite shape mod that I want to do. It's not that hard to do. The centers are all still square. I just haven't gotten around to doing it. So this is one that I really want to make on my own. I have done my own shape mods, which, oh, no! Oh, and you notice I've lost a sticker here. So I was hiding it, so no one noticed. I'll fix that. Okay, I'm actually going to go down for a second because this is the shape mod that I did. This is the half truncated cube, as well as my Cupid Ajar, nothing too special about that, but it's a Cupid Ajar, and it's actually a Maying, which was my favorite for quite a while. The tiger and the panda and the giant one back there. Okay, I'm going to go back up. Speaking of Mayings, not these up here. This is a GTS. This is a Yuxiao. Wait, we're on Yuxiao? Yeah. And then this is a Maying, though. And these are all the Maying Force Cubes. So we've got, the light blue, the regular blue, the dark blue, the pink, the yellow, chartreuse, I'm going to call this. Fluorescent green, maybe, dark green, red, orange, fluorescent orange, goldenrod, I'll call that, black, primary, white, and dark red. I don't know what I called that. But yeah, now, maybe someone correct me if I'm wrong, but I think this might be the world's largest Force Cube collection because of one single puzzle. I mean, I've seen people that have a lot of different colored puzzles, but of the exact same type of puzzle, I don't know if there's any other one like this out there. If someone has, maybe they made like a Yulong version, but with all being Mayings. Someone correct me if I'm wrong, but I'm gonna claim that I have the world's largest collection right now. Okay, this is sort of my Chi shelf. Some things are scattered around other places, but we've got the 3x3. This is a full fitted sticker Volk Power M. That's the special edition one. That's my mini one that I magnetized. 2x2x3. That's the what do they call it? Not Dimension Cube. What was it? It was Degenerate. It was a weird name. It didn't even make sense. And yeah, then we've got like the Thunderclap. Oh, there it is. Thunderclap version 2, X-Men Tornado. Down there's that sale that I recently got. As well as this is, I think also this is a sale. This is like the Old Warrior, and then this is like the Bullfight or something like that. Oh, we got the Warrior W there. Okay, this is the 5x5 shelf. Pretty much every major thing here. I got rid of the Aurora, and I just kept the Wind for Shang-Shou. Yeah, so that's about it. This shelf has a bunch of other things. I like keeping that one scrambled just because it looks cool scrambled. That was kind of fun to solve. I like the smaller version, though. I wish I had those stickers, so I just might need to replace those stickers. And yeah, cracking the cube. Oh, there's I think it's a 9x9 back there. And my Link mask. I also have a Blastoise one somewhere. Masco's wife makes those. Oh, that's a smaller Pyraminx. Not Pyraminx. Master Pyraminx? Oh, the mask covered it. It's back there. You saw it. There we go. You can kind of see it hidden back there. Will this balance? Nope. I'm just ruining everything. Okay. This is a fun shelf. So we have a couple things from Nathan Wilson. This one and his house cube. And then we also have a couple things, or a lot of things, from Twisty Tex from Casey. So I have this 2x2, 4x4, 5x5 bump cube. This sticker, which from Oliver Stickers, which I don't know if Casey designed that one. We've got the fidget spinner that's down here, as well as a couple other bump cubes. These are all really fun to use. I think this 5x5 might be one of my favorite ones. The 4x4 is really fun as well. You have to find where this one turns really nicely too. I think, if I remember correctly, I have the sheets here. I believe it was made from the Kung Fu 4x4, which is really nice. And then this is just the Moryu 4x4, the Morphing Joshi one. Is that it? Yeah. And then that's the 2x2 from someone. It's not the Shang-Shou one. But we got some stickers from Sweet Keep Shop. Anyways, I'm going to keep moving on. I'm talking a little bit slower. We have a lot of 4x4s. That's pretty much it. Just a lot of different 4x4s. A lot have come out since they started. That's a Shang-Shou that I used, put some Super Cube stickers on. Here's my magnetic 57mm Cyclone Boys. Oh, camera's dropping. There we go. This one right here. So that's one of my favorite ones there. We've got the full fitted sticker, Yushin Blue. And yeah, and then that Gan one down there is not a Gan one. That is the Kong's Design Meiyu that I just decided to make a joke online, which people were like, "You never make jokes about this. Are you serious?" And I was not. So now we have the Megaminx, and yeah, the Galaxy version 2 is fantastic. I'm excited to try the magnetic one, which I think should be out really soon. This is my Moryu shelf. So we have the mini ones down here. This is the MF3 RS that I magnetized, and then with the 5x1 and 52, I think it was. We've got a lot of different things. MF3 RS, The Morphing Jiaoxi. This is, I think, actually another Megaminx, so maybe I'll get rid of that one. Yuxiao, all the sort of sub-brands. The mini Oolong, which I used for quite a long time there. GAN puzzles. So going up, actually, I'm going to go through these. Oh yeah, and that's some more you hidden back there too. So this is a GAN 3, the version, I don't know if they called it version 3, but the GAN 3, there's two of them, so a blue one and a black one. Then we have 357 Ultimate, the 356 version 2. This is I think a 356 version 2 that I magnetized. And then one of them's I magnetized and one of them that I just really set up. I think this one I set up and this one I magnetized. And then we have the Air Ultimate, and then the SM, and I think this is just one that I've set up as well. It's like a UM with it. And here, okay, so we have a bunch of some Rubiks Brand stuff, Zanji, Cyclone Boys, Yushin, and then I just tossed all of the Pyramixes back there. Yeah, there we go. Kind of looks like a claw machine thing. But yeah, okay. And lastly, actually, this is pretty much it. And now we have Shrengren. So Fangxi, I guess. There's some more back there. That's a Shrengren. That's a other one. Kung Fu. Here's some Shengshou. And yeah, and that's about it. And there's some other things that I just sort of passed over. You know, this video is already almost 20 minutes long. I'll probably cut some stuff to make it maybe down to 15. So I completely forgot. I don't know if it showed up in any other part of the video, but there's 64 more cubes that I forgot to talk about, and that's that. The Yoshi. I plan on redoing it. It's just, I actually want to find a better place for it. I'm thinking maybe like on that wall right there, but I need to find a stud to make sure, because it's actually pretty heavy. I need to make sure that the cubes will stay in there and not tip over and fall out. I've thought about maybe adding like some plexiglass in front that I can put in there, but anyways, 64 more puzzles right there. I didn't do a full count. I feel like there's less. I did a collection video like a year and a half ago, and there was over 300, but this feels less than 300. So I don't know why that is, if there is less, or I've just gotten bad at counting. Okay, so that's the collection. I'll do some giveaways soon. I'll just make a video of like a couple different ones, but one thing will definitely be naming what those puzzles are. So if you watch this whole thing, try to figure this out. You have a head start. You can kind of figure out one thing. A little hint is I don't usually have doubles out there. So if there's something that you didn't see, or maybe something that you saw, but you're like, but he already showed that one on a different shelf, that's a little hint for you. There's one specific one I'm talking about, but I'll go over that during an answer one. So thank you very much. If there's anything you think I'm missing that I need, let me know. I really don't care to get like a 17 by 17 unless someone just like gives one to me. The 13 by 13 is not fun to solve for me. It's just tedious. And 17 by 17, I don't think it's going to be any more exciting. But if you think there's something I'm missing, let me know. I might be able to check it out and get that. Other than that, leave your thoughts and questions in the comment section below. Hit like and subscribe for more content like this in the future. And as always, stop by speedcubereview.com for more news and reviews. I completely forgot. I don't know if it showed up in any of the other video parts of the video. I'm bad at this.